This unit is called TB1040, which stands for financial management. Now, financial management is of keen interest to many people who want to start a business or run a business because the dollars and cents are what really makes the business sustainable. If it makes money, it is sustained. If it doesn't make any money, it doesn't exist. So managing the finances and understanding the finances and understanding all the issues around financing is very important. So this is really a nuts and bolts description of some of the key issues. There are four major topics within that module. We're going to be looking at interpreting financial statements. We're going to be looking at business credit, securing business credit in particular. We're going to be looking at the importance of government remittances and what are those remittances, which is like the taxes and the unemployment insurance and these sorts of things that you have to keep for your employees and send off to the Canada Revenue Agency. We're going to look at that. And we're going to look at cash flow management, which is critical for all businesses' survival. So in the big picture of this module, what we want to do is develop a good understanding of these financial tools and these financial operations within the small business. So at the end of it, you'll have a good understanding of those four major points. The first unit that we're going to be looking at, the first component topic, is financial statement analysis. Now, financial statement analysis is important because what it allows us to do is to kind of get a good handle on how is the business doing. It's like taking a pulse. How is the business doing? So we'll be looking at that in the first session. Next, I have the overall view of the course schedule. And if you look at the overall course schedule, you can see where we're going on this. The first week, we're going to be looking at the financial statements. In fact, we'll probably be spending a week and a little bit at that. Then we're going to be looking at credit. And then we're going to be looking at the government remittances in the third week. And the fourth through the 6 weeks, we're going to be looking at this cash flow management issue. So as I say, these four modules, 5 classes, we should be able to cover pretty good. The evaluation for this is very similar to the first module in the fact that we have assignments and we have quizzes. So the first thing that I wanted to bring your attention to was the topic assignments. The topic assignments are found at the end of each topic. What you're asked to do in the topic assignment is to consider the issue that's presented to you, and you'll find it there at the end of the unit. Then you want to think about it, and then in the discussion box, you want to post on it. Now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for an indication that you've given it some thought and that you have an understanding of the material we covered. Am I looking for a great quantity? No. Am I looking for infinite detail? No. I'm looking for you to demonstrate to me that you've given it some thought and understand the topic. That's rated on a 3-point scale. 3 means you got a really good understanding of it. 1 means you haven't really convinced me that you've got a good understanding of it. So there will be 4 of those, and they're worth 12.5 each for 50% of the material. The other 50% is made up of 4 quizzes, and these quizzes are likewise found at the end of the unit. And the quizzes are about 10 multiple choice. They are drawn directly from the content of the unit. So I encourage you to do those on a timely basis. Now, with regards to time, there is no set time to do the assignments other than the fact that they have to be all completed by the end of the course. And the end of the course in this case is the 14th of February. So what I want you to do is to follow through. Not all the assignments are available to you yet. All the topic tests are. The assignments will be loaded as we move along.